If you are a business owner who is wanting to convert your viewers into cash, then this is the right video for you. Today I'm going to be talking about how to gain attention and get that hook within that first 5 seconds in order to maximize your results in your content. This goes for everything from email campaigns to social media content to YouTube videos. Everything that you do or try to sell needs to have a hook. Now, what is a hook? A hook is something at the very beginning of the video where you're either introducing a problem that you're going to be solving or you're capturing their attention in some sort of way. So an example of this is this trend of this guy rolling off of a stretcher, and then it cuts to you, the business owner, rolling on the ground, and then everybody who's watching remembers that video because they're like, whoa, that caught me off guard. I didn't expect that to happen. And so that's an example of a hook. So make sure to implement something like the saying, I made $1 million using this method, for example, or I solved X with Y, or I figured out how to X with Y while doing Y, etc. So whenever you introduce a question like this, it gives the viewer that amount of curiosity to keep watching, and then once you get past that hook, you make a phenomenal plot or storyline that answers the question or tells the viewer how you got to the solution at the end. So this can go pretty much with any topic of any sorts, and I use it all the time in my videos to do storytelling, because ultimately people watch because they want to know what happens next. They want to know what they can learn next, where they can get that next little piece of value or that little dopamine hit they get from learning about that certain topic. Let me know if you have used any sort of hooks in your content recently. What have you seen work? I want to know. Let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We're going to continue to post more tips like this every single week, so make sure to do that, as well as join our Facebook group called the Howdy Media Insiders Group. We go live every single Friday, and it's going to be answering questions that you have. You have direct access to me for an hour every single Friday. So make sure to sign up for that and join that group. We'll see you guys on the next video.